If you're looking to automate follow-ups in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to set up automated follow-ups in Monday.com to make sure you never miss an important task again. But stay tuned, because at the end, I'll also tell you about a better tool for the job, one that you can try for free, with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. So, let's dive into how to automate follow-ups in Monday.com. First, let's talk about setting up automation triggers. You'll want to set these up based on a task status, due date, or other criteria. For example, you can create an automation that sends a follow-up notification when a task status changes to waiting or when a due date is approaching. This ensures that you're always on top of your follow-ups without manually checking every task. Next thing, let's discuss automation actions. Once you've defined your trigger, you need to specify what action to take. Monday.com allows you to automate actions like sending an email, notifying a team member, or moving the task to another group. You can easily customize these actions based on your team's workflow. It's quite flexible, but there are some limitations when it comes to the complexity of automation roles. Now, the fourth thing, conditional automations. With Monday.com, you can create automations that only trigger if certain conditions are met. For example, you could set a follow-up reminder only if a task has been open for more than a week or if a specific person hasn't responded. It's a powerful feature, but keep in mind that it does require a higher tier plan to unlock some of these more advanced features. Next up, let's talk about keeping track of your automations. Monday.com lets you easily view your automation history, so you can see if everything is running smoothly. However, some users find this feature a bit buried in the interface, and it can take some time to get used to. Another thing to consider is the integration of other tools with Monday.com. You can connect Monday with apps like Slack, Gmail, and Teams, which can help automate follow-ups across multiple platforms. However, if you rely on specific integrations that are less common, you might find yourself running into some limitations with Monday.com's third-party app support. Now, while Monday.com does a good job of providing a flexible automation system, it's important to mention that it can get pricey as you unlock more advanced automation options. If your goal is strictly automating follow-ups efficiently, there are alternatives that can do this more effectively without the steep price tag. And speaking of alternatives, at the end of this video, I'll share one with you that not only automates follow-ups better, but also offers a more intuitive interface at a much better value. Plus, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial and special benefits through our link. So, before we wrap up, let's recap. Monday.com can help automate follow-ups, but it's not perfect, especially when it comes to its pricing and complexity. If you want something that's simpler, more affordable, and still powerful, make sure to check out the link in the description for that exclusive free trial. You'll also get access to some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs even better than Monday.com, especially if automating follow-ups is your top priority. Check out the link now and get started with the best options available.